Hello, my name is Lucas Cadena, and I will be showing my Exercise 1 coding project. In this project, we are asked to locate a street in Phoenix and tell how far the street is from Central Avenue. Let me run the program. Here I enter north for the direction, I enter 24 for the street. Finally, I enter avenue for the street type. I see the output is North 24th Avenue, is 24 blocks west of Central Avenue, and is north of Washington Street. The preceding avenue is North 23rd Avenue. Now I will show you the code. First, I declare the variables for the three inputs. For direction, the variable I choose is dir of type string, for we can have north and south. For the street number, I choose stnum of type int to hold a number. And for the street type, I choose sttype of type string to hold the strings. Avenue, street, lane, drive, place, and way. Here I declare the scanner, and here I ask the user for the inputs. Given that the street number is an int, I use scanner.nextInt and nextLine for the other two inputs. I learned that I need to do an extra nextLine after I read the number with nextInt to read the feedline character. Here I close the scanner. Here I declare the variables sfx and sfxp to hold the ordinal suffix for the street and the ordinal suffix for the preceding street. Then I calculate the suffixes by checking first if the street number is between 11 and 13 inclusive, and if so, both suffixes will be th. If they are not in this range, then I check the remainder of the street number when divided by 10. If it ends in 1, then the suffix equals st and the preceding will be th, like in the case of 21st and 20th. If the remainder is 2, then the suffix is nd and the preceding suffix is st. In case 3, the suffix will be rd and the preceding suffix will be nd. Then in case 4, the suffix is th and the preceding suffix is rd. And if it is none of those, then the default is th. Here I print what is common for all cases, which is the street address of the input followed by how far it is from Central Avenue, which corresponds with the street number. Here we check if the street is a main street or avenue. If so, then we check if it is east or west of Central Avenue. If it is a street, then we print east, and if it is an avenue, we print west. Then we print the remaining text of Central Avenue and is north or south of Washington Street depending on the value of dir. Here we check if the preceding street number is 0, and if so, the preceding street is Central Avenue. Now these if statements check if the street is a mini-street such as lane or drive. If the mini-street is lane or drive, then we are west of Central Avenue, and if we are place or way, we are east of Central Avenue. In both cases, the preceding street number corresponds with the original street number, and the preceding street will be the main street of the same direction.